Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the permission of your application in the Galaxy M15. So to go to Permission Manager, slide up, go to Settings. Now scroll down and search for Security and Privacy. Scroll down and you will see the Permission Manager here. So as you see, you have a permission used in the last 24 hours. So it's going to be here. But if you want to look of all permission of your apps, go here and you will see that your camera have a permission for this app, not allowed for this. Yep. For example, now same things like in contacts. So every application you can check and make that don't allow. Yep. For some reason. And you can not allow it just one more time to allow to get permission to this app. So that's it all about the permission application. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!